Okay, this is just a quick follow-up on the Canton subwoofer. My friend decided we'll just get a pair of new woofers for it, and I found that Wagner Electronics actually had a couple very similar plastic framed ones, and they exactly the same diameter. They fit straight in the holes, which is great. No need to route out the box or anything annoying like that. Only 2 of the screws line up though. The Wagner ones actually have 8 screw holes instead of 6. But I just ended up putting the 6 screws in and left 2 of them empty, and they all, because the seal's underneath anyway, so they're all sealed up fine. 2 of the screw holes actually do match. You can get like 2 at 180 degrees opposite will match. The rest of them, they're just going into MDF, so you just screw them in, and it's not much harder than just screwing them into the old holes basically. So we put those in there, and those speakers are also available in 8 or 4 ohm versions. They're actually 4 ohm ones in the Canton, but you could put 8 ohms in just as easily. Probably just be a little bit quieter. And as for the faulty one that was scraping, I got a knife and cut the foam surround and then the little surround down underneath, because I suspect it could have been cooked at some stage, and sure enough, as you can see in the photo, there's a black band around it, so it looks like it has just been turned up a bit too much at some stage. So it was all very straightforward to replace them. Only took maybe 10-15 minutes to unscrew them, unsolder them, screw them back in again, and basically to disconnect it and then put it back again. It was a very nice quick job. So it's not only got a good sounding amp again, but it's got 2 brand new woofers in it, so that thing's going to be like new, I guess, and last probably another 20 odd years or whatever age it was. So that should keep him happy and keep the movies rumbling well into the future. So thanks for watching.